welcome guys. This is the Friday Insider for the first week of February 2014. This is also the first opportunity that I've had to speak to the entire audience. I've spoken to several of you individually about the transition that we made from Destin Real Estate Company to Scenic Sotheby's International. This was a big deal for us. Just to answer a few questions, we were not bought out or taken over. This was a strategic decision made by our company. Sotheby's brand has been long acquainted with great luxury properties, and the timing was right for us to step in and introduce the 30A and Destin areas to the brand, and we think it'll be a great move for our company, for our sellers, and everyone we do business with going forward. The purpose of this newsletter again is to give you the weekly insights. You'll find different headings below. The first is going to be like a Sotheby's headline, something that I can tell you about the brand that we're doing worldwide, here locally, anything that we pull that we think will be an interest. Another one is going to be the Investors Corner. Another one's going to be Foreclosure of the Week. This week there's a really exciting foreclosure. It's really just 2 days old by the time you receive this. It's in Destiny. It's a 4,000 plus square foot home, and it's priced extremely well. You have all the details below, but the rental estimates on the home are around $125,000, and we'll have that information for you too. So it's another one of those where the purchase price to the ratio on the rental is pretty phenomenal. Unobstructed Gulf views, so definitely worth checking out. Again, we're going to bring you a view of the week. This view this week is down in the Seagrove area, and believe it or not, when you see this view, it's actually below $550,000 that you can pick up this view for a 2-bedroom down in that area. So really great pickup down in Seagrove. We've got some area news, a little bit about, it's exciting when you see big brands continue to find the area. This is an expansion down on the Destin Harbor where they're taking out a local business that we had and building this big, expansive Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. And whether you're a fan of that or not, it just kind of speaks to what is coming to our area, and we'll be giving you more information about exactly what's happening down in that area of the harbor that seems to be exploding. In the Investors Corner this week, we're kind of standing out here on the beach, and I've got in there a quote that I heard when I first got in the business, which was, they're certainly not building any more of the Gulf. And the purpose of that quote was to say that as beautiful as this beachfront is, we just can't recreate any more of it. So whatever we have is what we have. And it's always going to be the top demand transactions in our market, because that's what everybody comes down here for. And in the links below, you'll see that we're actually at our lowest point of inventory that I've seen since I've been in the business of Gulf front real estate for sale, and that's just mainly the raw land. And the other thing is that we used to, when I would ride down through Destin or you'd ride down through 30A, there'd be these gaps between the homes and the condos where you could see the Gulf. And slowly over the last couple of years, those gaps are going away because they're certainly getting filled in at a rapid pace with new construction. So if you've ever wanted to own a piece of the Gulf, build something new, get your hands on a piece of land, due to the lack of inventory, the construction that's going on right now, and the actual availability, it's a really good time to take a good, strong look at that. So again, the purpose of the Friday Insider is just give you a little scoop, the best I can, of first-hand knowledge of what's happening this week. We're going to bring this to you every week. You know that you can always call me with any questions that you have, and I certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thank y'all so much.